Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to gyro in Call of Duty Mobile. First, let's understand what gyroscope is. It's a feature that lets you aim by physically tilting your phone, offering a new layer of precision. This can be incredibly helpful for making small, accurate adjustments, especially when you're trying to hit distant targets or track fast-moving enemies. It truly elevates your aiming game. Now, let's get it set up. Head into your game settings, then tap on the Basic tab. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the gyroscope option. You have two main choices here. Always On gives you full tilt control for all aiming, or Scope only activates it just when you're looking through a scope. Pick the one that feels most comfortable for your playstyle. Once enabled, adjusting sensitivity is key. Go to the Sensitivity tab. I recommend starting with a lower setting, perhaps somewhere between 60 and 80, and then gradually increasing it until it feels just right for you. Remember, you can also customize sensitivity for different scopes, like your 4x or 6x magnification, allowing for even more precise control in various combat scenarios. Finally, practice makes perfect. Spend some time in the training range or playing against bots to get a feel for it. You'll notice a significant improvement in your ability to track moving targets and execute quick flick shots. Mastering gyroscope can give you a real edge, especially in intense close-quarters combat. Keep practicing, and you'll be a gyro pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.